On this episode of Style by the CEO, I'm styling Miki, who is a teacher and an avid traveler heading to Europe for 5 weeks this summer and only bringing one carry-on suitcase. We are going to help Miki pack today for her travels. Let's go meet Miki.
We are so excited to be going on an extended trip to Europe. And one of the things I love about travel is the opportunity to really think about what pieces I'm going to put into my suitcase. We are carry-on only, so being able to mix and match pieces that are easy to care for and also comfortable and stylish, that's what I look for when I put together my travel capsule. I love the jumpsuit, and I'm not typically a jumpsuit person, but having served in the military, the olive green really is a color that I love.
Okay, Miki, you need a jumpsuit for summer travel. This will be perfect for your time in Europe. The fabric is movable and breathable. Let's get this in your dressing room. How do you feel in that outfit?
I love this outfit. It is so perfect.
The Scout collection has been so successful that it's back in different silhouettes and different colors.
It's got pockets, the drawstring is awesome, and the wings right here on the shoulder, which really adds that extra sort of widening here to balance out my hips, which I really love.
You wear a lot of neutrals like me when you travel. I think having a great market bag that you can pop on to bring some color and fun to the outfit is really perfect. You can put your jacket in there, your water bottle, an umbrella, everything can go into that bag. It's really good to have a lightweight printed bottom. Feels a little European, it's relaxed, easy to wear. I love the Jordan pant for urban wandering. What do you think of the next look?
I love these pants. They are awesome.
I love just really showing off the more fitted top with the more relaxed bottom.
This is perfect for a beach outing because it's so light. I can dress it up like I have with these shoes on.
Crossbody bags are essential for traveling. Pair this with a denim jacket for a night out or when it gets cooler. One of my favorite uniforms for summer is a great pair of denim shorts and a relaxed, loose button-down shirt. You can call it the camp shirt, like what I have on. Perfect for summer and even better for summer travel.
This is such a fun outfit. I absolutely love this.
This is the look of summer. My favorite look for sure. You said this was a dare.
It is a little bit of a stretch for me, yes.
It's out of your comfort zone.
It is.
Because it's colorful?
Right,
or
the color, the cut, sort of the shortness of the dress.
Yes.
But we'll give it a try.
I think it's fun for Europe. And I love it paired with those sandals right there. The gold sandals give it a little fun pop. Okay, Miki, you know at Every, we always push you just a little bit out of your comfort zone. And we did that today with this dress by Velvet. How are you feeling in the velvet dress? Okay.
I absolutely love this dress.
Look at yourself in the mirror.
I never would have picked this out for myself, but this is so much fun. And with these shoes,
Miki, this is
gorgeous.
I can't think of a more fun dress to bring to Europe than this one.